Hey, this is Brett at EXP Realty. I'm here finishing out a house for a client. You hear they're shampooing the carpet, so we're getting it all cleaned up, getting ready to put it on the market. If you're a realtor and you're looking to supersede your 2019, 2018, let me show you the way I do it. I'm with EXP Realty. I have a totally different game plan than 99% of the realtors out there. I can show you how to generate a giant amount of leads and actually set your company up for more of a residual type income instead of each commission check. I was with a realtor yesterday that was burnt out. She'd been door knocking, phone calling with one of the biggest brokerages here, and she's like, wow, when I showed her what I did 118 transactions last year. I will show you how to generate leads, because a lot of people have to go after them and they actually come to me. I have a bunch of people that I have to call back that need stuff, 2 buyers, I have big time investors. We have a lot of different stuff that I can teach you how to generate listings. I can teach you how to generate buyers, how to deal with investors, how to lease properties. There's money in all of it. So if you're looking, if you don't like what you're doing as a realtor, and you're just like all the other realtors out there, and you want to stay that way, stay that way. Don't call me. But if you want to make a change in 2020, and I need realtors. I have leads that I can't even do. There's so many leads. So we're building some stuff, building new programs for our agents, and we want to build one with you. So if you're wanting to quit paying the team commission splits or the big commission splits, 80-20, $16,000 cap with EXP. You can also work with me, and the good thing with EXP, they pay me. You don't have to pay me out of your commissions. The company pays me. So give me a call. I'm Brett. I'm an Icon agent for 2 years in a row. What's that mean? That means bonuses. That's $16,000 bonuses each award. And let me tell you, it's huge. It's a great way to build your retirement. And again, EXP is a totally different company. I'm a totally different realtor. Give me a call if you want to really learn how to make money in real estate. 216-703-5740. 216-703-5740. Quit being like all the other realtors and trying to compete with people that's been in the business forever. I'll show you how to get into markets and get in the markets that you didn't think you could get into. So give me a call, 216-703-5740. Thanks. Talk to you soon, I hope.